show. Gary, go around, check out some of these rides. I just got here. There's people still pulling up, still pulling in. A couple people I know out here. I seen the Booster Clicks president, Henry, down there. Thought I seen one of the Untouchables. I'm not sure, but Gary, walk around and see what we see.
Nah. Alright. We been them nicks. Nigga, I'm telling you. Never been broke, never been wild. Never been regular. Iced out chain, iced out bird. Bust down roll, bust down bird. 100 on Jordan. Arcade know me. War shit on. War shit on. Nah. Nigga, I'm telling you. Never been regular. War shit on. Drippin' this honey, I feel like I'm winning. I got your bitch on the island like Jimmy. Beamer gon' make sure we good in this city. I lead the traffic, go holla at Vinny. Oh my God, what happened to Kai? Choppy with money, they calling me Ty. I'ma go spend me some money today. They 20 pointers, they sunny is mad. Tanner, I roll with a limp. Post up on 20 with pimp. If it ain't war on my fit, then I go primo to drip. What? Yeah, ice, cold, war, clear. You on my line, my nigga, we famous. Hefe Basabi, my nigga, we dangerous. Don't understand you, cause money my language. R.I.P. Mackie, I'm cold as a penguin. C's on my line, like nigga, we famous. Hefe Basabi, like nigga, we dangerous. I am not regular, that is a fact. Somebody tell RF to bring this bitch back. We been them nicks. Nigga, I'm telling you. Never been broke, never been wild. Never been regular. Iced out chain, iced out bird. Bust down roll, bird. 100 on Jordan. Arcade know me. War shit on. Nah. Nigga, I'm telling you. Never been regular. War shit on.
Okay, we got a Honda out here. A little Honda Accord. Not too crazy. My wife's is better, but you know what I'm saying. We're not gonna talk about that. You know what I'm saying? It's alright. My wife's is better though.
Bitch so bad, I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, bad. I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, I wanna shoot. Girl, you too bad for me not to press you, yeah. Young fly nigga, I don't follow all these rules, yeah. Bitch, I'm making tunes, I ain't missing, I won't lose. Let's go to an island where the water around is blue. I got two bad bitches in the coupe. 42 in the bottle, glasses on full too. Ain't no games, I ain't playing, I want you, yeah. Take a trip, let's go shopping, I got blues, yeah. We got options, you can choose. Yeah, you want it, I can buy it, ain't no rules, yeah. I'm just saying, let me help you upgrade you, yeah. Fuck that nigga, he don't care about you, yeah. Girl, move on. He can't treat you like I do, my money too long. I got homies for your friends and we can group on. We are early, hit our shot like Curry. Bitch, I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, bad. I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, I wanna shoot, yeah. What's the move with you? Where you move it? I'm sticking like some glue with you. Got you doing all the things he never do with you. Got the smile and the vibe, it's something new with you. We could take a jet back, an island set back. Counting cash in the bumblebee, a yellow drop vet. I've been doing a lot of shit that they never tried yet. Have your ice real frozen, you might get frostbit, yeah. I just wanna do the dash. I'ma always put you first, never put you last. Way you shake that ass, make me wanna throw some cash. Girl, you way too bad, throw that nigga in the trash. You know I'm gon' shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't
out here doing the exhaust competition. The truck won it. The truck won. I think everybody just excited because the car shoot flames. But the truck loud. It's crazy. We got Henry out here with his scooter.
So stop calling my name.
42 millimeter, was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go live with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I started to touch my sins, he wouldn't believe us. I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with 2 girls on my team and they 10. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind.
No limit, got that masterpiece. No limit, baby. Give you that black car. No limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. No limit. I see murder that. No limit, baby. Give you that ghetto D, girl. No limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. So if you've never been, girl, I would just love to take you there. You don't have to worry about a thing. I gotta let me show you better than. No, just let me hold you. You be my soldier. On decline, you roll with me and we shine, baby we shine, yeah little mama we shine, just pick a destination, go ahead show me you can get like everything, show me like any car, any house, baby you can get like any ring, anything, then I can knock it down, all through the night, all through the day, yeah, I knock that pussy out, baby you call, the sugar ray, I may not know you, just let me hold you, you be my soldier, like you from the north, do it. No limit, baby. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit,
Yo, what's going on, man? I'm freaking tired. Anyway, just got back to the house from the OTG show. Kind of got a little, I ain't gonna say it got messed up. It was still a good show. I ain't gonna say it got messed up. The rain came out of nowhere a couple times. That last time was kind of heavy. So a bunch of people kind of split or whatever the case may be, but they still kept everything going. Was a good show, man. I took home 3 trophies. Almost got that best of show John too, but Henry beat me out. Surprise there. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? We got best paint and wrap, best truck, loudest sound system. I'll take the triple threat. But yeah, man, all in all, good show. Just got back to the house. We're going here and grab me something to eat, and I guess relax for a little bit, and then pop right back out for freaking this little pop-up meet at the tattoo shop. So yeah, man, catch y'all next time.